So far, the agent builds, defends, validates, and supervises itself. Next, before it's allowed to actually change anything, a human signs off. Every action gets verified after the fact. Failures get recovered gracefully, and we lock it down for production.
That's not a rubber stamp number.
It's not. Policy says anything this size needs both the procurement manager and the finance controller. Not one, both.
It's supposed to just wait?
As long as it takes. That's the whole point of a gate.
Approval became a verified workflow object the system itself refused to move past until it was actually resolved, not a message someone could miss in an inbox.
First time anything in this system gets to change a real record.
Task ID, supplier, quantity, amount, currency, the approval ID, and an idempotency key, so the exact same request can never fire twice. And it doesn't just trust the approval ID is real because Atlas says so. It checks. Every time. Approval exists, approval's actually valid, amount matches, supplier matches, the user's authorized, and it's not a duplicate.
The tool doesn't trust Atlas. It doesn't even fully trust me. It trusts its own checks.
Not yet. Supplier correct. Quantity correct. Amount correct. Currency correct. Approval actually attached. No duplicate anywhere. Status genuinely correct.
You don't believe the system when it says it worked?
I believe it once I've checked it myself.
A message saying the action succeeded didn't count as done. The system still had to independently confirm what actually happened matched what was supposed to happen.
This is the part nobody plans for. The thing that succeeds, and the thing right next to it that fails without anyone noticing.
Thank you.
The system has to know exactly what worked, what didn't, and what it must never just try again blindly. Authentication, role-based access, least privilege, a secrets vault, data masking, tool permissions, all locked down.
Every goal, every plan, every state change, every tool call, every input and output, every watchdog decision, every approval, every action, every error, logged, all of it.
Task success, tool failures, validation failures, watchdog blocks, human overrides, duplicate prevention, latency, cost, live, all the time.
Missing inputs, a wrong supplier ID, prompt injection, an outdated policy, a bad API response, a wrong calculation, an expired approval, a duplicate write, a dropped connection, two agents disagreeing with each other. Throw all of it at once.
The intelligence still came from the model. The reliability came from everything the team built around it.
We didn't start by building a fully autonomous agent.
We started with the smallest possible worker.
Then broke it, on purpose, every single chapter.
And built exactly what its next failure actually needed. Nothing more, nothing earlier than it had to.
The intelligence of the system came from the model. The reliability came from the architecture built around it. Build the worker, break the worker, add the watchdog, test every transition, control every action. By the end of this bootcamp, you won't just understand what an AI agent is. You'll know how to design, build, test, secure, supervise, and deploy a production-grade agentic AI system.